Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this chocolate and rose cake that's completely gluten-free. But first, please subscribe to my channel, it always helps me. But let's start right away with the recipe. We're gonna need 1.5 cup of heavy cream, which is 300 grams, 50 grams powdered sugar, and 2 spoons of dry rose. I'm gonna mix everything together. As always, I'm gonna write all the ingredients in grams and cups, tablespoons. As always, you find all the ingredients in the box down below, so whatever measurement you like better, you have both. As I was saying, you just have to mix together the heavy cream with the sugar and rose and put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours, which is actually the time that you will take to make the cake. On the side, you have to double boil 170 grams of butter and 117 grams of dark chocolate. If this chocolate looks a little weird, it's because I use it to decorate, and then when it solidifies, it turns like this, but it's completely normal, it's all good. Just want to tell you in advance. You're gonna need 4 eggs that you have to divide in whites and yolks. You're gonna put the whites in a KitchenAid with 110 grams of sugar, and with the whisk you're gonna whip them good until they become solid. In the meantime, you're just gonna stir the butter with the chocolate so that they will melt evenly. And when the egg whites it's all whipped, you put it aside in another bowl, and in the same bowl, without washing it, you just put the egg yolks, 70 grams of sugar, and you're gonna whip it until it becomes clearer and fluffy. And now the chocolate and the butter are melted, and you're gonna lower the speed of the KitchenAid and pour it into the egg yolks a little bit at the time, otherwise you'll make a mess. And once everything is mixed together, you're just gonna stop the KitchenAid, take the whisk out, and you're gonna have to add 250 grams of almond flour, which is what makes this cake gluten-free. You're gonna put half of the 250 grams, mix everything, then you're gonna add half of the egg whites you whipped before. Once those are mixed, you're gonna add the other half of the almond flour, and after that the other half of the egg whites. And once everything is mixed together, the butter is done. You're gonna need 2 6-inch pan or 18 centimeters, whatever works best with you. I'm gonna butter a little bit so it's not gonna stick, and put a little almond flour. Of course, I'm not using regular flour because in that case it wouldn't be gluten-free anymore. I divide the batter that we made before into the 2 pans, and I'm gonna put it in the oven for 45 minutes at 360 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. One thing I really wanna tell you, a mistake I've done in this video was to not let the cake cool down completely before taking it out of the pans. I thought of redoing the cakes because one kind of broke, but I wanted to show you this mistake because life is real, it's not like all fiction, and sometimes messes like this happen. So I wanted to show you how I fixed it, and that there's no need of throwing a perfectly good cake even if it breaks. As you can see before, I strained the heavy cream and I whipped it in the KitchenAid, and I cut each cake in half, and on each layer I'm gonna put a couple of spoons of heavy cream and layer it very thin because I don't like cakes that have too much whipped cream, in my opinion, but if you like more, it's totally up to you. And here you see the cake that broke. Unfortunately that happened, but I wanted to keep it real, so I'm gonna show you all the stuff that happens to me. And here you see that I'm not gonna decorate the cake in a very fancy way because I like it like this, a little naked, a little natural, and I wanted to show you where it broke and that sometimes stuff like this happen. I'm just gonna decorate the top very easily with like a couple of roses and some of those dried roses I showed you before. Very easy, very simple, anyone can do this. I didn't do anything difficult. I want to again keep it very real and very easy. And that's it. That's the cake for today. It's a perfect cake for Valentine's Day, so let me know what you think. And if you do it, let me know if you liked it. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye!